In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an app from your Whop community. Let's get started by heading over to your Whop Business Home dashboard. This is the main control center for your community, where you manage all your apps, products, and settings. Make sure you're logged into the correct account that owns the community you're working on. Once you're on the dashboard, you should see a list or grid of the apps that are currently connected to your community. Take a moment to locate the specific app you want to remove. If you have a lot of apps installed, it might help to briefly scan through them so you don't accidentally choose the wrong one. When you've found the right app, move your mouse over it. As you hover over the app, you'll notice a small menu icon appear, usually represented by 3 dots. This icon is often called the More Options or Actions menu. Now, click on those 3 dots. This will open a small drop-down menu with a few different actions you can take for that app. Among those options, you should see one labeled Delete App. This is the option you'll use to remove the app from your Whop community. Go ahead and click on Delete App. At this stage, Whop doesn't remove it instantly. Instead, a confirmation window or pop-up will appear. This is designed to help you avoid deleting an app by mistake, since removing an app can affect how your community functions, especially if members are actively using it. In the confirmation pop-up, you'll be asked to confirm that you really want to delete the app. Take a second here to double check that you've selected the correct app and consider any impact this might have, such as losing app-specific settings or integrations. If you're sure you want to proceed, click on Delete App again in this confirmation window. Once you confirm, Whop will process your request and the app will be removed from your community. The app should disappear from your dashboard list, which is a good way to verify that the deletion was successful. If it's no longer visible, you're done. You can always come back later and reinstall or add a new app if you change your mind or want to try a different tool.